Today we actually get to start Project Abbey, so we're going to start off with a quick inspection to see what work we'll actually need to do. And as I find them, I'll be showing you what's wrong with the vehicle. So far, after taking out the carpets on the inside, we've got quite a bit of repaired panels repaired on top of repairs, paste, something that looks like putty on both sills, and I think the only real option is to do both sills on both sides to get it done properly. If we see on the outside, after we've taken the wing off, we've got some major rot down in the forward area of the right hand sill, and that's been covered up by the wing, whereas other places have been repaired. I think the only real solution here is to remove all and replace. After taking off the near side wing, we've got a similar problem where there has been repairs done, but underneath the wing the sill's completely rotted away. So it's sills for both sides on this car. That'll do for one day. We pulled off the front panels and most of the interior, and we've seen how much work we really need to do, and there is plenty of it. And now I need to look at panels for replacing those. So after this I'm going to blow it off with a power washer, and that will be it for one day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.